flooding and storming and raining and thundering outside, and there was a big thunderstorm, and I'm scared. I am terrified. I am gonna scream right now. I'm gonna scream so loud. Like the trash can fell. Like, wait, let me show you. Let me show you. See that? You see that trash can? That thing fell. Literally fell. It fell. And I am scared. I am literally scared. I am so scared. Scared. I'm the wrong one.